Ever hit a technical section on the trail and wished you had just a little more control, a little more confidence in your stopping power? Well, Shimano's XTR Bl-M9220 brake upgrade kit promises to deliver exactly that. And honestly, it might just be the game changer you've been looking for. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a transformation for aggressive trail bikes, bringing powerful 4-piston stopping and a stiff, race-tuned lever that truly elevates your ride. The Bl-M9220 lever is where the magic truly begins. Shimano has really thought about the rider's hand, moving that pivot point closer to follow the natural arc of your finger. It feels incredibly intuitive, almost like an extension of your own hand. And that 5-degree, upswept lever blade, it just puts you in this natural, aggressive position, ready to attack technical sections of trail with newfound confidence. Dialing in the reach is super easy, ensuring a perfect fit for any hand size, which is crucial when you're flying down a descent. A small detail, but the updated hose routing gives such a clean, professional aesthetic to your cockpit. It's those little touches that show true design consideration. And for those who love a tidy setup, the iSpec EV-compatible mount means a wider adjustment range for your shifters, keeping everything neat and within perfect reach. But what about the actual stopping power? This kit boasts a dual-diameter opposed 4-piston caliper design, and let me tell you, it's a beast. You get stable, consistent braking power that feels incredibly strong, yet never grabby. The modulation is just superb, allowing you to feather your speed with precision, whether you're scrubbing off a little or slamming on the anchors. Shimano's low-viscosity mineral oil plays a huge role here, ensuring that reliable, strong power curve holds up in all temperatures and terrains. And those enhanced caliper seals, they really do maintain a reliable bite point, ride after ride, no matter how gnarly things get. Crafted from aluminum with a polished exterior and satin finish, these brakes don't just perform, they look the part too. They feel robust, race-tuned, and ready for anything you can throw at them. This kit genuinely steps up your braking confidence, especially when the terrain gets truly demanding. You feel more in control, more connected to your bike, and ultimately faster. So, if you're an aggressive trail rider looking to elevate your game, the Shimano XTR Bl-M9220 brake upgrade kit is an absolute powerhouse. It's a premium investment that pays dividends in control, consistency, and pure riding confidence.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.